This kit includes piston set, piston ring set, balance shaft bearing set, main bearings set, rod bearings set, head gasket set, lower gasket set, freeze plug set, brass, cam bearings, timing chain kit, oil pump fits, 05-08 Ford, Mercury/F-150, Freestar, Monterey 4.2 LV60HV naturally aspirated FITMENT notes, with oil pump and timing belt or timing kit if applicable, W/pressed pin pistons, master kit. Without tensioner you are assured to receive a worldwide proven master engine rebuild kit quality. Part with OE quality fit and performance. Important, this engine kit is in standard size in all of its components. If you need oversized pistons, piston rings, rod bearings or main bearings, send us a message prior ordering, indicating the correct size you need, so our customer service